Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very special lesson for you. We are going to practice simple, everyday English conversations.
Everyday English is so important. When you learn simple sentences, you can talk to anyone, anywhere.
Exactly. Today's video is made especially for beginners. We will speak slowly. We will speak clearly.
You do not need to worry about difficult grammar or hard words today. Just sit back, relax, and listen.
Many of our friends listen to us while cooking, cleaning, driving, or just resting at home.
That is true. Cooking and learning English at the same time is a great idea.
Before we begin our simple conversations, please take a quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow, and you will never miss a new lesson with us. Thank you so much.
Now, let us start our everyday speaking practice. Are you ready, Alice?
I am ready, David. Let us go. Part 1. Talking about morning routines.
Alice, let us talk about the morning first. What do you do when you wake up?
The morning. That is a good place to start. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that is very early.
Yes, it is early, but I like the morning. What about you, David? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is a good time for me.
7 o'clock is nice. So, what is the very first thing you do when you get out of bed?
The first thing I do is drink a big glass of water.
Drinking water in the morning is very healthy. I like to do that too.
After I drink water, I go to the kitchen to make coffee. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. I love coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel happy and awake.
Let us pause for a moment and repeat a key phrase for our learners.
Good idea, David. Listen carefully and repeat after me.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Let us say it one more time, very slowly.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great job. Now let us try another simple sentence.
I drink a cup of coffee every morning.
I drink a cup of coffee every morning.
Simple, right? You can use this every single day when you talk about your morning.
Alice, what do you eat for breakfast? Do you make a big breakfast?
No, not really. I usually eat something fast and simple. I eat toast with butter, or sometimes I eat an apple.
An apple. Very healthy.
Well, sometimes I eat a piece of cake if I am feeling naughty.
Cake for breakfast? Oh, Alice, that is not a healthy breakfast. But it sounds delicious.
It is very delicious. What do you eat, David?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with milk and bananas.
Eggs and toast is a classic breakfast. Very easy to make.
Yes, let us practice these phrases together now.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for breakfast?
Notice how simple that question is. What do you eat for breakfast?
You can ask your family or your friends this question today. Part 2. Going to the grocery store and shopping.
David, after breakfast, what do you usually do?
On many days, I have to go to the supermarket. I need to buy food for lunch and dinner.
Supermarket English is super useful. Everyone needs to buy groceries.
Yes. Imagine you are at the store. You want to buy some fresh fruit. How do you ask the worker for help?
That is easy. You can walk up to a store worker and say, "Excuse me, where are the apples?"
Excuse me, where are the apples? That is very polite and clear.
Yes. Always start with "excuse me." It is polite and friendly.
Let us practice a small conversation at the store. I will be the customer and you will be the store worker.
Okay, I am ready.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Hello. The milk is in aisle 3, next to the cheese.
Thank you very much. And how much is a bottle of milk?
1 bottle of milk is $2.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a great day.
Wow, that was a very smooth conversation. Let us break it down for our learners.
Yes, let us look at the key question. How much is this?
How much is this? This is a sentence you will use all the time when shopping.
Let us repeat it together slowly.
How much is this?
How much is this?
If you want to ask about a specific item, you just change the end of the sentence.
For example, how much is the bread?
How much is the water?
How much are these bananas?
That is so clear and easy to remember.
David, do you prefer to pay with cash or with a credit card?
I usually pay with a credit card because it is fast, but sometimes I use cash.
At the checkout counter, the cashier will often ask you, would you like to pay with cash or card?
And you can simply answer, card please, or cash please.
Very short, very simple, and very polite.
Yes, you do not need to make long, complicated sentences when buying things. Short sentences are perfect. Part 3. Meeting a friend at a cafe.
David, let us talk about meeting a friend at a cafe. That is another very common everyday situation.
Oh, I love cafes. I love sitting near the window, drinking tea or coffee, and talking with friends.
Me too. Let us pretend we meet at a cozy cafe on a Saturday afternoon.
Great! I see you walk into the cafe. Hi, Alice. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks. It is so good to see you.
It is great to see you too. Have you been waiting long?
No, not at all. I just arrived 5 minutes ago.
Oh, good. What are you drinking?
I am drinking hot green tea. It is very nice. What would you like to get?
I think I will get an iced coffee. It is a bit warm outside today.
That sounds refreshing. Let us go to the counter and order.
Hello. I would like 1 iced coffee, please.
And I would like a chocolate muffin, please.
Yum! Chocolate muffin. Can I have a piece of your muffin, David?
Only if you ask nicely, Alice.
Please, David, share your muffin with your best friend.
Okay, of course I will share.
You are the best, David. Now, let us practice these helpful cafe sentences with our listeners.
The first sentence is how we order food or drinks. I would like, please.
I would like an iced coffee, please.
I would like a tea, please.
Notice that I would like sounds very polite. It is much more friendly than just saying, give me.
That is right. I would like is the magic phrase for ordering anything at a restaurant or cafe.
Let me repeat it slowly for everyone.
I would like a cup of tea, please.
I would like a cup of tea, please.
Another great phrase from our conversation was, how are you today?
How are you today?
And a simple answer is, I am doing great, thank you.
I am doing great, thank you.
Or you can say, I am good, thanks.
Both are natural, simple, and standard English. Part 4. Talking about hobbies and free time.
Alice, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I love reading books, listening to music, and going for long walks in the park.
Walking in the park sounds very peaceful.
It really is. I love watching the trees, the flowers, and the birds. What about you, David? What are your hobbies?
I really enjoy playing the guitar and watching movies.
Oh, you play the guitar? That is amazing. Are you good at it?
Well, I am not a rock star, but I enjoy playing simple songs.
That is what matters. Hobbies are meant to be fun, not stressful.
Exactly. Hobbies help us relax after a long day of work or study.
Let us help our listeners talk about their hobbies in English.
Here is a very easy question to ask someone. What do you like to do in your free time?
Let us repeat that question together.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
And to answer, you can use the phrase, I like to, followed by the activity.
For example, I like to read books.
I like to watch movies.
I like to cook delicious food.
I like to listen to music.
I like to play sports.
Look at how simple that sentence structure is. I like to plus a action word.
Yes, you can talk about almost anything you enjoy using that simple structure.
Alice, do you like watching movies at home or at the cinema?
I like watching movies at home on my sofa. I can wear comfy clothes and eat popcorn.
Me too. Home is very comfortable. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. Laughing feels good.
It certainly does. Laughter is the best medicine, as people say. Part 5. Asking for help and directions.
David, what happens when you go to a new city and you get lost?
Oh, getting lost can be scary. But if you know a few basic English phrases, you can easily ask someone for help.
That is so true. Let us do a simple role play where you are lost in a city and you ask me for directions.
Perfect. Let us start. Excuse me, hi. Can you help me, please?
Hello, yes, of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the train station. Is it near here?
Ah, yes, the train station is very close. Walk straight down this street for 2 minutes, then turn left.
Walk straight and turn left?
Yes, exactly. You will see the train station right on the corner.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip.
That was very clear. Let us look at the phrases we used.
The first important phrase is, I am looking for.
I am looking for. This means you are trying to find something.
For example, I am looking for the train station.
I am looking for a hotel.
I am looking for a bathroom.
I am looking for a bathroom is definitely a useful phrase when traveling.
Yes, you need to know that phrase in every country.
Let us practice saying it together.
I am looking for.
I am looking for.
And when someone gives you directions, listen for simple direction words like
Straight. Go forward.
left, turn to the left side.
Right. Turn to the right side.
Simple words, straight, left, right.
If you keep those 3 words in mind, you can follow almost any basic directions. Part 6. Talking about the weather.
David, do you know what topic English speakers love talking about the most?
Let me guess. Is it the weather?
Yes, people love to talk about the weather everywhere.
It is true. Talking about the weather is the best way to start a conversation with a stranger or neighbor.
Let us practice some simple weather conversations.
Alice, how is the weather today where you are?
Today, it is very sunny and warm. The sky is blue and there are no clouds.
That sounds wonderful. I love sunny days.
What about where you are, David? Is it sunny too?
No, unfortunately, it is raining here today. It is cold and rainy.
Oh, cold and rainy. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have my big blue umbrella, but I prefer staying inside when it rains.
Me too. Rainy days are great for drinking hot tea and reading a good book.
Absolutely. Let us review the key phrases for talking about the weather.
The question is, how is the weather today?
Let us repeat that slowly.
How is the weather today?
How is the weather today?
And here are some simple answers.
It is sunny.
It is rainy.
It is cold.
It is hot.
It is windy.
See how short and sweet those answers are? It is plus the weather word.
Easy to learn, easy to remember, and easy to speak. Part 7. Repetition and practice session.
Now, David, let us slow down even more and do a dedicated practice section for our listeners.
That is a great idea. Repetition is the secret key to learning English fast.
When you hear a sentence many times, your brain remembers it automatically.
Exactly. We will say 5 core phrases from today's video. We will say each phrase twice. Please speak out loud with us.
Do not be shy. Speak out loud even if you are alone at home, cooking, or walking outside.
Phrase number 1.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Phrase number 2.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Phrase number 3.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Phrase number 4.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
And phrase number 5.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
Excellent work, everyone. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You are doing fantastic. Part 8. Simple questions for you. Listener practice.
Before we end today's video, we want to ask you, our listener, a few simple questions.
Yes. Think about your answers in simple English.
Question 1. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Think about your answer. Do you wake up at 6, 7, 8?
Question 2. Do you like tea or coffee?
You can answer, I like coffee or I like tea.
Question 3. What is your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Oh, that is a delicious question. My favorite meal is definitely breakfast.
We already know you love cake for breakfast, Alice.
Hey, only sometimes. Outro and connection.
Well, everyone, that brings us to the end of our conversation lesson for today.
We hope you enjoyed practicing simple English conversations with us.
Remember, practice a little bit every day. Consistency is the key to speaking English fluently.
Listen to this video again whenever you want to practice your listening and speaking skills.
Now, we want to hear from you in the comment section below.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal? Do you like breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Leave your comment below. We love reading your responses and replying to you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for watching and listening to us today.
Have a wonderful day, stay happy, and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.